Today is the start of something real. Welcome to Hair Loss Mythbuster, one reel a day where we cut through the noise and tell you what's actually happening in your hair. Everyone loves to claim stress for their hair fall, but here's the hard truth. Stress isn't the main reason you're going bald. Think about it. During the lockdown, everyone was stressed, but even people who are mentally chill were losing hair. Why? Because the real triggers were poor nutrition, bad sleep, hormones like DHT, and zero scalp care. Stress was just the easiest excuse to hold on to. And here's the kicker, stress related hair loss usually grows back in 3 to 6 months. But it's been what? It's been 2 to 3 years, and you're not dealing with stress. You're dealing with ignorance. Back someone who will say, yeah, it's just stress. And save this because tomorrow bust another myth that nobody talks about.